శ్రీమన్ ఆల్ ఇన్ఫో మీడియా ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ స్వాగతం. లెసన్ నెంబర్ 6, వాటర్ ద గిఫ్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ నేచర్. గ్లోసరీ. వాటర్ రిసోర్సెస్, సోర్సెస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ వాటర్, సేఫ్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్. ఇరిగేషన్, ద సప్లై ఆఫ్ వాటర్ టు ల్యాండ్ ఆర్ క్రాప్. Stored water, to keep water in large containers. Scarcity, in short supply. Water tanker, container for storing water. Aquaculture, rearing of aquatic animals. Agriculture, practice of farming. Worksheet number 1. Rewrite the following words. Mopping, watering, drinking, brushing, bathing, gift, nature, need. Clouds, important, neighborhood, washing, cleaning, agriculture, aquaculture, construction. Write the names of the activities and the correct pictures. Mopping, watering plants, cleaning, drinking, brushing, bathing. First one is drinking, second one is cleaning, third one is mopping, fourth one is watering plants, fifth one is bathing, sixth one is brushing. Next, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Water, without, gift, water scarcity. First one, water is a dash of nature, gift. Second one, plants and animals also need dash to live, water. Third one, we can't live dash water without. Fourth one, short supply of water is called water scarcity. Answer the following. First one, what are the uses of water in our daily life? Water is need for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, watering plants in the garden, cleaning the floor, agriculture, construction, aquaculture, etc. What do we need to survive? We need water to survive. Third one, what happens if there is no water on the earth? Life will not exist without water. If there is no water on the earth, human, animals and plants could not survive. Worksheet number 2. Concept, sources of water. Rewrite the following words. Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, springs, natural sources, borewell, tank, summer, decrease. Match the following. First one is E, pond water. Second one is C, ocean water. Third one is A, rainwater. Fourth one is B, river water. Fifth one is D, spring water. Answer the following questions. What is the main source of water? Rainwater is the main source of water. Second one, where do you get water from? We get water from different sources. Oceans, rivers, lakes, dams, canals, well, hand pump, tube well, borewell, streams, ponds, springs, etc. Third one, what are the man-made sources of water? Dams, wells, tube wells, hand pumps, canals are man-made sources of water. Fourth one, give a few examples of natural sources of water. Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds and springs are natural sources of water. Worksheet number 3. Concept, scarcity of water. Think and say. Rewrite the following words: scarcity, far away, dry up, water tanker, protected water, pollute, water bell, container, purify, water filter. Answer the following questions. Where do villagers get water from? Villagers get water from wells, streams, ponds, borewells, etc. Second one, why do people walk very far to get water? In some areas, the wells and ponds dry up during summer. The water level in the borewells get decreased. What is the reason for water scarcity? Lack of rainfall, inadequate storage of water, wastage of water, etc. are the reasons for water scarcity. Third one, fill in the blanks with the words in the help box. Dry up, decrease, far away, water tanker. First one, some people walk dash to get water, far away. Second one, the wells and ponds dash in summer, dry up. Third one, the water levels in borewells also decrease. Fourth one, in some places people wait for dash, water tanker. Worksheet number 4. Concept. Protected water. Rewrite the following words: pure water, germs free, boil water, store, container, sufficient, hydrate, encourage, contaminate, unsafe. Which one do you choose? Put a tick mark. I chose first one. In second one, the paste is on class and the water is wasting. Third one, answer the following questions. Who provides protected water to the people? Government provides protected water to the people. Second one, why does water get polluted? Water gets polluted due to different human activities like washing clothes, washing cattle, dumping wastage, etc. Third one, what happens if we drink contaminated water? If we drink contaminated water, we get sick. Fourth one, what should we do when the water bell rings in our schools? Students should drink sufficient water when the water bell rings in our schools. Fifth one, what is the common way of purifying water? Common way of purifying water is boiling. Water can also be purified by filtration and chlorination. Match the following pictures. First one is C. Washing soap. Second one is Vim bar, used for washing vessels. D. Third one is hand wash. A. Fourth one is Harpic. E. Used for latrines and toilets. Fifth one is bathing soap. B is the right answer. Fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. Human activities: unsafe, boil, pure, water filter. First one, water gets polluted due to dash, human activities. Second one, we have to drink dash water, pure water. Third one, do not drink dash water, unsafe. Fourth one, we should dash water before drinking it, boil. Fifth one, we use dash to purify water, water filter. Worksheet number 5. Concept. Protected water. Rewrite the following words: frequently, disease, develop, vessels, sick, water bottle, pinch, warm, bottle brush, clean. Fill in the blanks with the words in the help box. Water bottles, salt water, fall sick, germs. First one, most of us use dash to drink water, water bottles. Second one, dash get developed in the unclean bottles, germs. Third one, when we use unclean bottles, we may dash, fall sick. Fourth one, water bottles should be cleaned with dash salt water. Third one, answer the following questions. First one, why should we clean water bottles? Diseases causing germs may developing in the bottles. That's why we should clean water bottles frequently. Second one, what should we use to clean water bottles? We should use salt, warm water, bottle cleaning brush to clean water bottles. Third one, how does water get polluted? Water gets polluted due to human activities like washing clothes, washing cattle, dumping waste products into water. Fourth one, what is the common way to purify water? Take a water bottle and put a pinch of salt in the bottle. Pour some warm water and rub the inside with a bottle brush and clean it. Worksheet number 6. Concept, how to save water. Rewrite the following words: precious, waste, happen, surroundings, running water, leaks, overflow, turn off, check, motor. Mind mapping. Uses of water: drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, agriculture, aquaculture. Write true or false. Use leftover water to water a plant. True. Second one, wash fruits and vegetables under running water. False. Third one, never allow water to overflow from the bucket. True. Fourth one, turn off the taps always. True. Check the pipes of leaks. True. Turn off the motor when the tank is full. True. Match the following. First one is C. Turn off the motor when the tank is full. Second one, A is the right answer. Turn off the taps. Third one, D is the right answer. Don't waste water. Fourth one is B is the correct answer. Check the pipes for leaks. Fill in the blanks. Dash is used for washing clothes. Water. Second one, during dash, the water in the wells dry up. Summer. The water you use at home is formed from dash water resources. Tap water. Fourth one, you use dash containers to store water. Drum. You should drink a minimum of dash glasses of water daily. 7 or 8. Sixth one, when you are thirsty, you should drink dash water. Write the name of any liquid other than water. Petrol, diesel, etc. Eighth one, we get dash if we drink polluted water. Sick. Ninth one, the areas where water is scarce are known as water scarcity. 10th one, plants and animals dash to live, need water. Match the following. First one is B. Put off the fire. Second one is D. Agriculture. Third one is A. Aquaculture. Fourth one is C. Construction. Worksheet number 7. Concept, improve your learning. Conceptual understanding. Answer the following questions. What are the uses of water in our daily life? Water is used in many ways in our daily life. Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, plants, agriculture, construction, aquaculture, etc. Second one, what happens if there is no water? Life will not exist without water on the earth. If there is no water, humans, animals, plants, birds could not survive. Water is our substance. Third one, give a few examples of water resources. Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, and springs are water available naturally. Sources of water. Dams, wells, canals, borewells, hand pumps are man-made sources of water. How can save water? Water saving methods. Use a small glass of drinking water. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water. Turn off the taps immediately after using water. Fourth one, check pipes for leaks. Fifth one, turn off motor when the tank is full. Questioning. What questions would you ask your parent to know about the water source in olden days? I will ask the following questions. What water did people use in olden days? How was water purified in olden days? What were the methods of water supply in the olden days? How did they store water in olden days? Visit protected visit protected freshwater scheme in your village and observe how water is supplied and steps taken to supply. Say right. Water supply stages: collecting water, cleaning the water, chlorination, supply the water to the house through taps and from overhead tank. Seventh one, collect information from your friends about how they save water. Name of the friend, source of the water, water saving methods. Why Sriman? Hand pump. Stops hitting the bore as soon as the bucket is full. Nehemiah. Tap water. Turns off the tap after hold enough air water. Sai Krishna. Borewell. Check the pipes for leaks from the time to time. Blessy. Water tank. Never allows water to overflow from the bucket. Bhumija. Bore pump. Turns off the motor when the tank is full. Draw the pictures and model making. Draw a picture of a bottle brush and say how to use it. Take one water bottle and add pinch of salt in it. Pour some warm water. Take bottle cleaning brush and rub the inside it till that gone. Next, clean the bottle with fresh water. Appreciation. One day, Devi was going to her friend's house to play. On the way, she saw some children wasting water at the bore pump. What might have Devi told them? What would you do if you were there? Devi might have told them that don't waste water unnecessarily. If we do water waste, there will also be no water to drink in the future. Also, she might have told that use water sparingly. If I were in that position, I can explain how to use water sparingly. I can stickers like prevent water waste in that area. Prevent of water wastage in that area. Okay. Assessment 6. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is main source of water? A. Rain. Second one. We have to drink dash water. A. Clean water. The most common way to purify water is dash. B. Boiling. Fill in the blanks. Farmers can grow crops only if dash is available water. Oceans and rivers are dash sources of water. Natural. Water should be stored in dash, clean and closed containers. Match the following. First one, water. C. Precious. Second one, purify method. A. Boiling. Third one, water resource. B. River. Answer the following questions. What are the natural resources of water? Oceans, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, and springs are natural sources of water. How to save water? Uses a small glass to drink water. Put up slogans not to waste water. Turns off the taps immediately after using water for brushing, bathing, washing clothes, etc. Checks the pipes for leaks. Turn off the motor when the tank is full. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.